Two people are facing drug trafficking charges after authorities searched a home in Winslow on Tuesday. The Maine Drug Enforcement Agency says that 38-year-old Brian Gleason of Winslow and 34-year-old Milciades Diaz Soto of Massachusetts were arrested following a joint investigation with the Winslow Police Department into the sale of cocaine and fentanyl from Gleason's residence. The MDEA reports that agents found more than 500 grams of cocaine, 7 grams of fentanyl, over $2,000 in suspected drug proceeds, and a loaded handgun during the search. Gleason and Soto are being held without bail at the Kennebec County Correctional Facility.